Welcome back here on Good Day Kansas. We are once again on another project by the guys at Wichita Home Works. We are joined today by Nate. You guys know him. He is the president, but also we're joined by Mick. He is a project manager for Wichita Home Works. Thanks, guys, for being with us today.
You bet.
Appreciate you bringing this nice weather today.
Yeah, I was going to say, it's a perfect day for us to be out here.
Yeah, well, tell us what you guys are working on behind us.
Yeah, so we've got a composite deck that we're building off of this home. So it had one already there. We took that down, extended it, made it bigger, and it's coming together nicely here.
Yeah, it really is. What's the process like for something like this?
Yeah,
what are the steps?
So obviously demo starts first. We get that all cleaned up and out of the way. They'll set the post bases where those are supposed to go, so that way we can set the main structure of the deck.
Yeah.
Then they'll do all the framing underneath, and last they'll go back with the decking and all of the skirting and the railing. So
tell us what is a deck and something like this, a structure like this in your backyard, as far as like the value of a house?
Yeah.
How does that improve it?
Yeah, so I mean, you know, for those that like to spend time outside, that sort of thing, some of that's kind of hard to put, you know, an actual dollar value on, but as far as, you know, the homeowner's enjoyment of their backyard, it can really help. And it definitely makes the home more valuable when it comes time to sell. The other nice thing is the zero maintenance that goes into these composite decks.
Yeah. So what does that mean when you say composite?
So composite, it's a form of resin, plastic, that sort of thing. Plastic sounds kind of cheap, but they've done years and years of R&D on it, and they've come up with some really amazing materials.
Yeah. Low maintenance,
and
is
it
one
looks
thing.
great too.
Yeah,
so.
Low maintenance on anything in your house is a plus, right?
Yeah.
Mick, let's have you jump in here. Tell us about your role with Wichita Home Works and what you do.
Yeah, you bet. So I'm a project manager with Wichita Home Works, and my role is basically to ensure quality throughout the project. I stop by and check on the guys and make sure that the project's running smoothly and that the customer has all their questions kind of answered and taken care of. But it's really just about quality control and customer service, making sure that they know that, you know, we have their back, and we're there to answer questions and just be helpful and be there for them.
Yeah, Nate, I love how everybody you bring onto the team has so much expertise, so much knowledge, but also so much customer care.
Yep, definitely.
As well.
Yeah,
you know.
it's our goal to make, you know, I've said it multiple times, it's our goal to make the experience, you know, a pleasant one. Yeah. Remodel, that sort of thing, it can be chaotic at times, but that's why we hire good guys like Mick to take care of that part of it.
Yeah,
so.
Absolutely. Whatever you're looking for on your house, Wichita Home Works is your place to talk to get anything improved, remodel, whatever you're looking for. Nate, tell us how people can get information and get their project started with you guys.
Yep, they can visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com or give us a call at 316-303-4485.
Awesome. Thanks, guys, so much for your time today and showing us another project here.
You bet. Thanks for coming out.
We have more Good Day Kansas coming up next.